Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to unblock the Chrome Web Store if you're having trouble accessing it. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once it's open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see 3 vertical dots. This is your Chrome menu icon. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This will open Chrome's main settings page where you can adjust all kinds of preferences and configurations. This is where we'll fix the Web Store access issue. Now, on the left side of the settings page, you'll see a navigation panel with several options. Look for Privacy and Security and click on it. This section contains all the controls related to how Chrome handles your data, permissions, and site access, which is exactly what we need to adjust. Within the Privacy and Security section, scroll down until you find Site Settings and click on it. This area manages how individual websites interact with your browser, including permissions for things like cookies, pop-ups, and access restrictions. It's the key to controlling which sites are blocked or allowed. Next, you'll need to click on View Permissions and Data Stored Across Sites. This option lets you see a comprehensive list of all websites that have stored data or specific permissions in your browser. It's particularly useful for finding and managing individual site settings. Once that page loads, you'll notice a filter field at the top of the screen. Click on this search box and type Chrome into it. This will filter the results to show only Google-related domains, making it much easier to find what we're looking for instead of scrolling through hundreds of sites. From the filtered results, click on google.com. This will expand the section and show you all the related Google subdomains that have permissions stored. Look carefully under it and find chromewebstore.google.com in the list. Once you spot it, click on it to open its specific settings page. Now you'll see an option that says Reset Permissions. This button will clear any restrictions or unusual settings that might be preventing you from accessing the Chrome Web Store. Go ahead and click on it, and a confirmation message will pop up asking you to verify this action. In the confirmation dialog, click Reset to proceed. This will immediately clear all the permissions and stored data for the Chrome Web Store, essentially giving it a fresh start. The browser will remove any blocks or conflicts that were preventing access, and just like that, your problem is fixed. And that's it. You've successfully unblocked the Chrome Web Store. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.